Oh, dang it, I hate when that happens. We're here with the Reboot 19.4 and want to talk to you about the Separett composting toilet. For those of you that think that composting means squatting in the woods with a shovel, today this tiny little toilet's going to blow your mind and spare your nostrils. All right, so let's go in and check it out. So let's address the lingering question with this toilet. Does it stink? Short answer is no. Long answer, it does if you're using it wrong. So separate means that it separates the liquids from the solids. Sit down, the solids go in, and it doesn't mean you have to be an amazing aim either. This toilet does all the heavy lifting for you. So this TIny Separett Toilet we've plumbed directly to the BlackTank, and what this means to you is less time cleaning, more time camping. So one of our roamers, John Romere, did install his own Separett toilet. He did not install his to the BlackTank, he closed it off. And just to let you know what it looks like inside, the composting part here and the liquid part there. So when the bucket's full, you just remove it, take it out, dump it wherever you want. Well, actually dump it in some place that's sanitary. It does have a fan in it to help remove any odor that might occur naturally from doing your business. So with this specific mod, there's no more dumping, pun intended, and more time adventuring. With this specific unit, it typically has a black tank. A lot of people don't like the black tank, it's messy. So with this toilet is cleaner than you think, greener than you think, and a lot less weird than you would think. So if you want to give this toilet a swirl, please reach out to any of our stores, South Carolina, Utah, Arizona, Colorado. Give one of our team members a call. Our locations are listed in the link below. So we want to get your roamer ready so you can camp more. Woo, it's hot out here. Just to let you know, no toilets were harmed during the making of this video.
Oh no, Rick, don't drink that! Oh.